Aha, ndio sasa Tekken 200cc, the latest Tekken in the market that goes for only 297,000 Kenyan shillings, 297,000 Kenyan shillings with a free box over here and alarm system, remote starter, charging port, full TFT dashboard. Also the wind visor is here. You get it for free. So this is how the remote works. This is the remote. So now you can put your alarm, can put off your alarm, and you can start your bike using your remote. And you can switch off your bike using your remote. So that's the remote. That's the advantage of this bike. It's a safe bike. So in case umepark tao, una lock steering na unaeka alarm, and you're good to go. It has a 2 years warranty on the engine, ready logbook, ready number plate. It's a tall bike, good for tall people. In case you can't afford the Rally 300, come for this bike. Also, the ground clearance iko sawa kabisa, as you can see, good for all terrains, rough road, off road, wote kwa sawa kabisa. If you have a company and you want a bike, a classy bike, a affordable bike, and a good performer, this is the bike you need. Kituma watu wako huko ndani mashinani, wanaenda vizuri, town areas commuting wanaenda vizuri, because the consumption 1 liter will give you 40 kilometers. Imagine 1 liter hivi inakupatia 40 kilometers bila stress. Hapo una save mafuta, una save vitu mingi sana hapo. The shocks ziko sawa kabisa. The guards ziko sawa, iko na engine guards, crash guards, hand guards which are connected with the indicators. The bike is a slim bike, so you have better control, especially on off-road terrains. So let me show you how the dashboard looks like. Tuweke hii box chini hapa kidogo. So this is the dashboard. This is the charging port over here. So that's the charging port. You can charge your phone while riding. Let's remove this. Nachukua vile inakaa. Kwa sawa kabisa. That's the dashboard. That's the wind visor over there. This is how it looks like on the front part. Really beautiful machine. Check those headlights out. Iko sawa kabisa. Design yake tu noma kabisa. Acha nizime. Check. Your machine sasa. In case you want this bike, give me a call 0720 965 222. My name is Paul. On YouTube, you can get me as Nairobi Powerbikes.paulbikes. Yeah, that's it.